Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here for another phonics lesson for this week. Our learning target is I can blend and segment onsets and rhymes of single syllable words in speaking. Yesterday we talked about the words with blends, and blends are made up of two letters that make a new sound. So we focused on the BL blend, and BL says blah. And these are other words that have the blend BL. We have blue, bloom, blanket, black, block, and blow. And we're going to go back and watch our Jack Cartman video on our blends. Are you ready? All right, boys and girls. I love listening to Jack Cartman videos. So remember that blends are two letters that you can hear both the letter sounds. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. So we have our blend for today is CL. And CL, we hear the K and L, and we get cl for the blend. So our words that we can say that have the cl sound blend is clock and clap. And let's see what's on our anchor chart. We have clay, clue, clip, clutch, Clyde, and Cloud. What are other words that you can think of that have the CL blend? For your assignment for today, write two words that have that sound. You can use words from our video or anchor chart or what we talked about today, or any other words that you can think of that have that CL blend. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day.